Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to another Crypto Sensei live stream. We got a damn good show for today, young. We got a damn good show. How y'all doing? I hope y'all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. Guys, are you guys ready? Let's fucking go. Let's figure it out. Are we going to make money? Are we going to lose money? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together, man. I have no idea. We're going to start this week out right, my man. We're going to figure it out, man. We got to figure it out. You know how it is. Big shout out for everybody here. We're having a fantastic Monday. Guys, I do warn you. I tested positive for COVID again. It is what it is. Energy levels a little bit low, but no reason why not to get in the flow. You know what I'm talking about. So we're going to go in it today, guys. We're going to figure it out. We're going to see, are we going to make money? Are we going to lose money? I don't even know. Let's find out. Let's figure it out together. So let's set up the trust, guys, and we're going to go in it today. We are going to go in it today. So I hope you're having a fantastic time. I'm having a great time. Finding, oh, look at this, man. I'm telling you right, man. Just when you think you got things right and you got things figured out, my man, Bitcoin don't give a fuck. Bitcoin don't give a fuck about what I think is going to happen or what you think is going to happen. It just doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Are you buying? Are you accumulating? Are you storing? Are you doing? What are you doing? I don't even know. But big shout out to you all. So how y'all doing? Let's see who we got. Let's see who we got in the house today. Albert Litterman. Big shout out to Albert Litterman over on the TX channel. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. What's up with you? Just trying to make these games, brother. You know how it is. Just trying to catch it. My man. What are you doing, Albert? What the hell are you doing, bro? Javier. Big shout out to Javier over on the TX. How you doing, Javier? It's all good, all good. Albert Litterman over on the TikTok channel saying, did you get ELGG, brother? No, I did not get any ELGG, my man. What is it? Don't tell me that ELGG just took out to the upside, bro. I think I wrote that wrong. It's LGD? ELGG. There is no coin called ELGG, brother. Where do you get that? Where do you get that, bro? Where do you get that? Let me know. Oh, it's not public yet. Yeah, man. I don't do no public coins, my brother. I don't do no public coins, not yet, bro. Tommy Naka over on the TikTok channel saying, a Business Insider, Bitcoin could soar 344% to 200,000 by the end of next year. Man, you know what I was thinking about doing today, Tommy? I was thinking about giving you my price predictions on what the next bull cycle might bring for Bitcoin and for the rest of the markets. You already know we already set the entries and the exits. We already know that. From here on out, there are no exits. You understand what I'm saying? There are no exits on crypto for this year for me. Okay? I only want entry prices. I want to know when I'm going to get in to buy some more. You understand what I'm saying? There is no exit points. There is no exit strategy for 2024. At least for me. You do whatever the hell you want to do, okay? This is just me, crazy crypto sensei, talking here. I don't want prices to get out on this year in 2024. I don't want tops or bottoms. No. I just want to know when I want to go back in, buy some more. And then for 2025, I'm going to give you guys my target prices of when I am going to get out for the next bull cycle. Okay, my price ranges for the next bull cycle. Now, do keep in mind that none of this is set in stone. I'm just talking crazy. I'm an idiot online, and you should not be listening to me either way, not one way, shape, or form. Okay, you do your own research and you do whatever the hell you want to do, because it's not financial advice. You trade it however the hell you want to trade it. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm going to be giving you guys my exit prices for the next bull cycle on all of the coins that I'll be holding. If that is something that interests you, go ahead and write it down on the chat box if you guys want to look at any coins whatsoever. Okay, you want to know the entry prices, the exit prices, my predictions for the next bull cycle? Let's go. We're going to do that today. So big shout out to you all. How you all doing? Calix25 over on the TX are saying, what's your call on this Bitcoin pump just before date of ETF approval or decline? Brother, you got to be ready for either scenario. Because we just don't know. We don't sit in those tables. We don't know what the king is up to. You got to be ready whether it pumps or whether it dumps. You got to do your research. You got to be in it. You got to be in the news. You got to be on top of it. If we get it, pumpy pump. If we don't, dumpy dump. Huge volatility for the crypto markets, my man. This week is going to be bazonkers, okay? Bazonkers. Because if we do get that ETF, forget about it. Forget about it. But if we don't, then forget about it because we're going to probably come back down. We've seen it, my man. We've seen it so many goddamn times. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Let's see how it actually goes. What do I think? Me personally, the crypto sensei, based on absolute stupidity, we're not going to get the ETF. I'm just saying. That's just my thing. That's just my thought. So we're probably going to have a dumpy dump coming back down, and I'm going to buy some more Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I want it to dump. I don't want the ETF. I want it to come back down so I can buy some more. I can refinance the house and get some more. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? No financial advice. Spike, big shout out to Spike over on the TX Talk channel. Say hi, Sensei. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Spike, just taking it easy, my man. You know how it is. 24, big shout out to you over on the TX Talk. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. Mark Russell, 2507 on the TX Talk. Big shout out to you. You want to talk about some AVAX coin? Yeah, we can talk about some AVAX. Let me take out my handy dandy notebook and we're going to write it down here. And guys, if you have any coins you want to look at, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I would try to do my TA on whatever coins you want to talk about. Okay, guys, you got me here for an hour of power. So let's make it happen, Captain. Take advantage of it, I do warn you today, I did test positive for COVID yesterday. So I'm feeling a little bit groggy and a little bit disoriented today. I don't know why COVID does that to me. This is the second time I get COVID. And every time I get COVID, like my brain just shuts the fuck down. You know what I'm saying? My energy levels just go to zero. Like I got no energy today. This energy that I'm portraying right now, it's caffeine. Because I got no energy. I just want to lie down on the sofa and just pass the fuck out. Wake up to $100,000 Bitcoin. That's what I want to do. Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to ask? Come on, 2024, do it for me. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. We got to push up. We got to push. We got to push. We keep going forward. Tommy Naka on the TXR channel saying BlackRock wants to buy Bitcoin at 26K. So not surprised if ETF is not approved until Bitcoin goes down. Absolutely. Brother Tommy, man, you're a goddamn genius, bro. 10 points to the house of Tommy because goddamn. Wall Street wants to get in on something. BlackRock wants to get in on something. They're not going to buy it at the top, bro. No. Whenever they say, oh, the train left. No. Not for them. They'll bring the train back. They'll pull that shit back. Okay? And then buy at the low. Same scenario happened back then. Back in the last bull cycle, 2021. We saw the exact same thing. It went from 8K to 3K. Yeah. They bought back in and then it jumped all the way up to 70K. From 3K to 70K. We're at 47K today. Where could the pullback bring the price down to? Remember that we do have a halving this year. That's another variable you need to take in consideration when you're doing your research. Halving, pullbacks, enterprises, next president, bull cycles. Okay, those are the variables that you got to keep in your mind when you're doing your research. Okay, you got to be prepared, man. You got to be ready. You got to be ready. You know how it is. Mary Cavazos. Big shout out to Mary over on the TX. How you doing, Mary? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Big shout out to you. Ted Crypto on the TX. How you doing, brother? It's all good, my man. Taking it easy, man. I'm feeling a little bit sick today. Tested positive for COVID. I don't really have all the symptoms that I usually get when I get the COVID. I don't know what the hell's happening with my body. My body's just used to it, I'm guessing. I don't even know. Because it's not really fighting it that much. I don't feel that bad. I'm not dying as far as I know of. Hopefully not. But, I do feel I have a little bit of a headache. I have a little bit of a sore throat. My fingers sort of hurt, Like, I don't know why. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. And it's funny because just like 2 weeks ago, I got like a little bit of a cold. I had a little bit of fever. Maybe it was the COVID, sizzling on the inside. Nobody knew. And today, bam, it came out. And I do have this stupid little cough that's coming like once every hour of the hour. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. No, I don't want it. Pastor Jesse, big shout out to Pastor Jesse. Thank you for that heart, Pastor Jesse. Love you too. You know how it is. 24 on the TX channel saying, no matter what, let's get it to win it. I mean, I'm still fucking lowly 24, my man. Nothing's gonna stop us, man. Not a damn thing, brother. Not a goddamn thing's gonna stop us at all. Let me set this up, guys. Give me a second here. Boom, boom, boom. Let me put this over here and let me put this over there. And let's see who else we got on the house today. DNA Noonan, big shout out to you over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, DNA Noonan? Yo, brother, I'm back. Been waiting for you to show to air. My brother, you know how it is, man. Chilling like a villain, Noonan. Chilling like a villain, my brother. You got me here, my man. Take advantage of it. El Catra Cholo over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you. Pump that ETF, Sensei. Brother, if we get the ETF, forget about it, man. Forget about it. Look at what ETFs do historically to every other asset out there. Have you ever... Do you remember gold back in 2008? 2004 was when the ETF came out for gold. And look at what it did to the price of gold. It went to like, I don't even remember. I wasn't even looking at that back then. 2005 I was in college. I was in second year of college. But the ETF came out on gold and it pumped the price like it was no tomorrow. Imagine what it can do for Bitcoin. Imagine what it can do for Bitcoin. Yes, ETFs tend to bring the prices up on all the assets that they're approved on. You're not buying, you're not accumulating. I don't know what the hell you're doing with your life, my man. Don't come crying to me when it comes bursting through the upside and it's at $300,000 per Bitcoin. You're like, fuck, I should have bought it at 40. I'm just saying, I've been streaming for 2 years now. Every goddamn day, we saw the bear cycle. We streamed that Bitcoin at 15K. Nobody wanted to buy Bitcoin at 15K. Now they want to buy it at 50. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's go. Too Fluent over on the YouTube channel saying, what's up, buddy? What's up with you, my man? It's all good. How's everybody over there in the Vieques Island, my brother? It's all good, all good. Too Fluent over on the YouTube channel saying ICP is recovering nicely. ICP, you want to look at some ICP action? I got you, brother. Of course we can look at some ICP. Write it down here on my handy dandy notebook. Let's fucking go. DNA Noonan over on the YouTube channel saying Elastos, bro, loving it. Elastos, we can talk about some Elastos. Elastos. Hell yeah, we talk about something like Elastos. Mooncat, big shout out to my brother Mooncat. How you doing, Mooncat? It's all good, good. It's all good, good. Just chilling like a villain, my man. I would be Too Fluent over on the YouTube channel saying I would be interested in your next bull ICP. Yeah, guys, all the coins that we're going to look at today. So make sure that you write it down on the chat box. All the coins that you're going to look at today, we're going to do things a little bit different. I usually give you the entries and the exits. I'm going to be giving you not just the entries and the exits, but I'm also going to be looking at what my price predictions are going to be for the next bull cycle. Okay, 2025, 2024, 2025. Okay, these are my target ranges. They're based on absolute stupidity. I do not have a time machine. I don't have a crystal ball. I got nothing. I'm just using the Fibonacci to figure out what my exit prices are going to be. Like I've taught you to do since day one, and I'm pretty sure you're all very, very fluent on using the Fibonacci, right? You guys are awesome. We're using the Fibonacci. We talk about it every goddamn day, right? Well, I'm going to give you my exit strategy for the next bull cycle on whatever coins you want to look at, okay? Whatever coins you want to look at. So go ahead and write it down in the chat box, okay? Go. Big shout out to Albert Litterman on the TikTok. Thank you so much for the 3 stickers, my man. Thank you so much over on the TikTok channel. Big shout out to you. D-Lock on the YouTube channel saying XRP, XLM, and XDC. My brother, you're 100% in on ISO coins, aren't you? I know you are, brother, because so am I. XRP, XLM. Of course, we talk about XRP and XLM every goddamn day, brother. XDC. Let's fucking go. Too Fluent over on the Mooncat on the YouTube channel saying, did you see the aliens in Miami? Brother, I cannot open my goddamn TikTok without seeing at least 25 different reels on the goddamn aliens on TikTok. Okay. I mean, I don't know nothing about no damn aliens, bro. But if they bring me some more XRP, then they're more than welcome to come to my house, my man. They got a room, they got food, they got whatever. You bring me some XRP aliens, I'm all yours, my man. Do what you got to do. All except for the probing. I am nowhere, not even come close to the probing. Don't even come here to no goddamn probing, my man. That ain't gonna happen. But shout out to all my brothers and sisters over in Miami who saw the alien, bro. That's fucking huge, man. That's fucking huge, my man. That's fucking huge. We got aliens, my man. Aliens are real. It is what it is, my man. It is what it is. And Bitcoin's gonna go to 300K. And XRP's gonna go with it to $11. Let's fucking go. Too Fluent on the YouTube channel saying, which aliens, Mooncat? The immigrants? Oh my God. Oh, let's not go there here, bro. No, I don't want to get canceled. I don't want to get canceled. I don't even have, I'm not even that, like, I don't have that much influence to even get canceled. So let's just not go there. Let's not go there, please. Gabriel Memes over on the YouTube channel saying, what's up? Do you the man? Oh, my man, Gabriel, you the man. You know how it is, man. Big shout out to you. Fidencio Jimenez on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Fidencio. Good day, brother. What are the chances that the ETF causes a short dump so other buyers with good loads of cash can get in? Brother, that's the best case scenario. I'm going to tell you right now, that would be the best case scenario. We don't get the ETF. Price will dump. Man, it will dump. Look at what the rumors are doing. Just rumors, you know? Rumors that we're not going to get the ETF and the price is spiky to the downside. Okay. If it does go down, my brother, I'm telling you right now, I will be refinancing my house, selling my car, selling my dog, whatever the fuck I gotta do. Rent a room to the aliens from Miami here in my house. But I gotta do what I got to do to get me more Bitcoin. Okay. I don't have enough. I don't have enough. So best case scenario would be bring that motherfucking price to the downside so I can buy some more. My man. I want some more. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro? You know what I'm saying? Albert Litterman, thank you so much for the 2 stickers over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Pastor Jesse on the TikTok channel saying, thoughts on Tia. You want to talk about some Tia, some Celestia? I got you, Tia, right here. TIA. We'll talk about that. Of course we can, Pastor Jesse. Stick around. Tommy Naka on the TikTok channel saying ETF will destroy altcoins, has most will be converted to BTC. Yeah. You're going to probably see a major run for Bitcoin to the upside. And when I say major, I'm talking about top, what's the word I'm looking for? Beyond 100K. Beyond 100K. Okay. I'll tell you right now. These are my target prices for Bitcoin for the next bull cycle. 191 and 347. Oof. Based on absolutely nothing. This is crazy. I could have said $1 and it would be the exact same strategy. I could have said $1 million and it would be the exact same thing. Me being an absolute idiot online. Okay. So let's see. It's probably, if it does get approved, we're going to get a run up on Bitcoin to the upside. Alts are probably either going to stay stagnant or come back down because all that cash flow is going to go to Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. That's what I think is going to happen. Hell to the yeah. And then I would be like, fuck, I missed the train because I wanted to buy more Bitcoin. I want my Bitcoin to go back down. It is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Little Joe, big shout out to Little Joe over on the TikTok channel saying knock knock, it's Krispy Kreme. Brother, you know what? I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm starting to be a little bit health conscious for this year. Since I know that Bitcoin and crypto is gonna pump for the next year, this year I'm gonna get ready. I don't want to be fat for the next bull cycle. I want to be healthy. I want to look good for when I buy my Lambo. You know what I'm talking about? My private island. I don't want to look old damn fucked up. I want to be skinny and strong and healthy. You know what I'm saying? Driving my Lambo with an XRP sticker on the side. No more Krispy Kremes for me, my man. No more Krispy Kremes for me until 2025 and we go to the bull cycle. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go to the gym, lose 30 pounds. My goal is to lose 30 pounds and we're going to get it. We're going to get it, you know? We're going to get it. John Gardner over on the TikTok channel said, you got your water tonight. Yes, brother, I got my water. Bro, what are you talking about, man? I got look. Look, I got my water, man. What are you talking about, man? Of course I got my water, man. Come on, let's go. Chad on the TikTok channel saying they own the train and the rails. Yes, when I'm telling you right now, my man, that's why I think that we're not gonna get an ETF approval. I don't know why. It just doesn't feel like we're gonna get an ETF approval. It doesn't. There's too much expectations in the markets, and there is a lot. Sorry, there is a lot more money to be made by speculation than with an ETF. These big kahuna motherfuckers can drive the news, drive the interest, and use us as exit liquidity. Man, I wish I had a few friends with $10 billion each and we drive the prices. Hell, fuck if I wish. Hell, fuck yeah. My man, all my friends are poor, and I'm the poorest of them all. We can't drive nothing, man. We can't even drive our cars. We're going to drive the market. Just saying, my man. I'm just saying. Just listen. DGR coin over on the TikTok channel saying, don't forget, not your keys, not your crypto. That's, my man, that's the golden rule right there. 24 on the TikTok channel wants to talk about some wild coin. Of course we can talk about some wild coin. Let's go into some wild action. Big shout out to Alpha Bundle. Buy anything near 50 cents. Let's fucking go, Alpha Bundle. Big shout out to you. 24 wants to talk about NXRA. NXRA. I've got you, bro. I got you. Chris Play wants to talk about some file coin. Of course, we can talk about some file coin. Let's go. Just John. What's up, Sensei? What's up with you, brother? It's all good. You know how it is. Big shout out to you. Ask Oscar Gonzalez over on the TXR channel wants to talk about some LimeWire. Hell yeah, we talk about some LimeWire. We saw that on the last live stream. It was quite interesting. Fidencio Jimenez over on the YouTube channel saying, right, buy the rumor, sell the news. That's the golden rule, my man. That's the golden rule. Whenever we get all these channels just pumping some sort of idea, some concept on the crypto market, something over and over and over again, that's a clear buy the rumor, sell the news. I don't know, if we get a mini pump and we haven't gotten the ETFs, I don't know, I would say take some profits. I think I don't know, man. I don't know. I want to know. Tony T over on the TX channel wants to talk about some FLR Flare. Of course, we can talk about some FLR token. My man, I got you, Tony. Let's go. Jay, my man, Jay over on the TikTok. How you doing, brother? Chat, I'm late again. My man, we haven't started yet, man. You're just in time, bro. I always give you this little half hour of just, welcoming in and, just sit down and accommodate, Yeah, I got you, my man. You know how it is. Woke Crypto over on the TikTok channel saying Velo, Silo, Citus, and Superverse. Holy fucking shit. That's a kick-ass fully right there, Woke. You want to talk about some Velo, some Silo, Sidious Black, and Superverse. I got you, bro. Let's go. Jay on the TikTok channel saying, please, price discovery on ICP. Should I quit my job? Brother, no. Come on, man. We're not even near the bull cycle yet, brother. You ain't seen nothing yet. But we'll go in it. B Alpha, big shout out to you, B Alpha, over on the TX channel saying Fetch and SEI. Please and thank you. Of course, I got you, bro. Fetch AI, and SEI. Oh, another one that I want to talk about, but this is me personally. Guys, I bought the miner, the Hive Mapper miner. I actually bought two of them. One for me, one for my brother, because we both drive Uber and we're always in the car. So I bought two of them, and I'm going to be mining Hive Mapper. So I'm going to see how that one is going to be playing out. I should be getting mine for May. It said that it was going to be delivered by May. Now, May, historically speaking, is a downward action type, like the bottom of the bottom. Usually, we usually run away in May. We run away in May. We come back in September. So May, the price of honey might be to the bottom. I don't know. I have no idea. But what I'm going to be doing for the entire year of 2024 is accumulate. Buy some more. Okay? Buy some more. Okay? buy some more. So let's say that I'm driving Uber. Okay. I do Uber Eats and I do DoorDash. Let's say that I'm dashing. I'm mining with my Hive Mapper, the honey coin. Okay. I mine every day. Oh, and I also bought the demo miner. I bought the demo and the Hive Mapper, both of them. So I'm going to be mining honey and demo by driving my car for the entire 2024. I'm not going to sell a single coin that I mine. No, I'm going to accumulate. And then 2025 comes around and I'm going to sell. Okay. Everything I mine, I will be selling in 2024. Every time I mine, I sell. Every time I mine, I sell. Every time I sell. Then 2026 is going to come around. 2026 is going to be the bear cycle, and that's going to be blood on the streets like we saw 2022. We already went through that so many times. We already know how to play that game, right? Then we start accumulating once again in 2026 and rinse and repeat until we retire 40 years down the line. I mean, that's one hell of a fucking plan. I'm just saying, I'm just saying. You do what you want to do. I mean, you do what the fuck you want to do. El Catracholo over on the YouTube channel saying, if Bitcoin dumps, I'm selling my girlfriend. You got risk reward. You know what I'm saying? Risk reward. Which one will give you the most rewards? Your girlfriend or Bitcoin? I don't know your personal situation, my man. I'm just saying. Just think of it. Think things through. Oh man, that's one hell of a Bitcoin maximalist right there, my man. You selling your girlfriend to get some more Bitcoin. You do what you gotta do, my man. Mooncon on the YouTube channel saying the aliens, we are here to buy XRP, brother, and then the aliens are going to be my exit liquidity. When XRP goes to $11, I'll sell it to the aliens over in Miami. You know how it is. Danny Norton on the YouTube channel saying, how about some Brilliant and some BitRock? What the hell are those, brother? Brilliant? What's a Brilliant? What is that coin, brother? I've never even heard of that. Brilliant. And Barack. What is Brock coin, brother? Never heard of those. Gabriel means Solana, please. Of course we could talk about some Solana, bro. We always talk about Solana. Let's fucking go. I got you, brother. Let's write it down here in my handy dandy notebook. Solana. Danny Norton over on the YouTube channel saying, smart man on the Hive Mapper. Congrats, my man. You do, yeah, man. I'm just saying. Why not? I was already in the market to buying a dash cam, for my Uber driving and my just in case I was getting into an accident or something, just have like a backup or something. I was already in the market for that. But when I heard that you can buy a fucking miner for a dash cam on your car, I lost my shit, man. I was like, gee, I'm losing money. Every time I get in my car, I'm losing money. Not just for the price depreciation of the car and the gas prices, but I'm not mining. I could be mining and making money for driving. Something that I am already doing right now. So yeah, my man. Do it. I'm just saying. Think about it, Think about it. Crypto Rachel, big shout out. Thank you so much for the glasses, Crypto Rachel. Love you too. How you doing, Crypto Rachel? DNA Noonan on the YouTube channel saying, hey, brother, can we maybe take a look at a few big time coins like GRT, Near, Bonk, Muse? I got you, brother. Let's write those down. We got GRT, Near, Bonk. Well, I know that Bonk had one hell of a reversal back down. Thank God that I closed that bot at the 2x mark. My portfolio, so I need help badly. Yeah, but brother, we can look at those, my man. Of course we can. B Alpha over on the TX channel saying, what do they cost? Okay, so when we're talking about the miners, we can go to Hive Mapper. And if you want to buy it from Hive Mapper, the price is, I believe it was $300. Let me see if I can remember. I don't remember now. Yeah, $300 for the Hive Mapper dash cam. $300. And I believe I was doing a little bit of research. I haven't tried it just yet. Okay. I haven't tried it just yet. But I believe that they are paying 1 honey coin per mile that you drive. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. A little bit more than one honey. I think it's 1.2. Okay. And it's going to depend on the quality of the stream that you're sending them. If it's raining, if it's nighttime, it's a bad. Apparently, they don't pay as much. Okay. So they're paying about a honey per mile. I drive in Uber like 100 miles a day, going all around Puerto Rico Island, just all goddamn day for 12 hours. So I don't even know how many miles that is. But hey, if it's just one more way to make money for something that you're already making, it's just logic, my man. It's just logical. So for $300, you can get a dash cam. And you can get more than one if you wanted to. You can get 4 of them if you wanted to. That's more money, you know? So it's $300 for the Hive Mapper, which you're going to get paid with honey. Then there's the Demo Miner. The Demo Miner cost, I believe, is $300 too. So this one is awesome because this one you don't even need to drive. Yep, Demo Pi right here. The Demo Auto Pi is $300. So for 2 devices, that cost $300, you can earn passive income for driving your car, which is something that you already do. You know, just saying. I'm just saying. And if you have a Tesla, guess what? The Demo is already installed in the app of the Tesla app inside the car. So you have a Tesla, you should be earning Demo. Just saying. Rose and Ruins over on the TikTok. How you doing, love? It's all good, all good. Damn, that actually seems like a lot on honey to me. What do you mean, Rose? We make a lot of honey. You gotta make a lot of honey. Let me, just for shits and giggles, let's see how the price of honey is right now. Hive Mapper. So honey is trading at 20 cents of an all-time high of 31 cents. My target price is 65 cents. Whew. So we can start mining in May. We start mining in May. For the next bull cycle, it's at 65 cents. I'm mining at least 1 honey per mile. That's about 100 honey per day. 100 honey per day at 65 cents. That's $65 a day just for driving my car. $65, that's more than the gasoline that I put in my car when I'm driving Uber. I put about $20 in Uber every day. And $20 in gasoline for driving Uber. So, I'm just saying. Come on, let's think about it. Let's think about it. For $300, making $65 a day in the next bull cycle. Not financial advice. This could go to zero. But hey, something is something, you know? A little bit of something is something. I don't care. Whoa, Crypto, big shout out to you. Thank you for the 11 roses, Whoa, Crypto. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. Owls over on the TX channel saying, can you put 2 in the same car? Yes, apparently they actually want you to put more than 1 in the car. 1 for the front-facing camera for the front of your car and 1 for the side of your car. Yeah, so they actually want you to put as many cams as you can. If I had the money, I would have put 4 of them all around the car, like just a 360. But I'm gonna try it out first. Get my the dash cam. Try it out for a few months. Let's see how much I'm actually gonna get paid in the lowest point of this 24 cycle. And the demo one. The demo one I actually should get before because this one is a limited run, and it says here May 2024. So they said that the estimated delivery is 2024. Let's see if we can actually get it by then. If we get it, we drive it, we try it, and let's see how much I'm actually making, and then I'll tell you if it's actually profitable or not. Okay, so let me try it first. I'll be the guinea pig, and then you can try it on your own. Rose on the TX Chalk channel saying, please do, dude. This is actually really effing good. I mean, it's a strategy. It's one more way. Well, passive income. Passive income while you're doing something that you already do, driving. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Owl's over on the TX Chalk channel saying, so 2 Hive Mapper and 1 demo in 1 car is cool then. Yes, that's actually the perfect setup right there. 2 dash cams and 1 demo on your car. That's a pretty penny right there, my brother. That's a pretty penny right there. You can make making about $100 a week. Extra. Passive income. Things that you don't have to do anything about. Okay. Rose on the TX channel saying, wait, what? You get honey per camera? Yes, per camera, you are mining honey. So you can have 100 cameras. Imagine you had a fleet of cars. A fleet of cars, and all the cars have 2 Hive Mapper dash cams. You'll be banking. 2 Hive Mappers and 1 demo per car. Imagine you're a truck driver. You're already trucking hundreds and hundreds of miles across the land. You could be mining while driving, something that you already do. Just saying. So Fool over on the TX channel saying, that's an interesting concept. How would the company make money with those or how does that work? Well, if we're talking about their side of their point of view, Hive Mapper is a mapping dash cam. Okay. Hive Mapper is a mapping dash cam. Imagine Google Earth. Google Maps. You know, have you ever seen a Google Maps car? You know that they have this huge camera on top and they drive around and they take pictures and videos so that they can map all the surroundings. Well, take that concept and give it to the people. Okay? Give it to the people with a very small camera that goes in your car, and you can have thousands of cars driving and mapping their surroundings for you. You take that data and you update maps across the board. You can sell that information to mapping companies out there. And it's in real time, today and now. If you've ever seen Google Earth, if you go to Google Earth and you find my house, that photo was 10 years ago. It hasn't been updated in like 10 years. With Hive Mapper, you can have it real time, today and now. So yeah, the CEO of Hive Mapper, that dude is a fucking genius, because I never even thought that even be possible. I wish I would have thought of that. And then you pay people how? By mining their own cryptocurrencies. I wish I had that fucking mindset, you know? Belfi, big shout out to my brother Belfi. It's all good, Belfi. How you doing, my man? It's all good. Struggling with a little bit of COVID for the second time, my man. We're starting this year right. COVID in. Let's go. Ren, big shout out to Ren over on the TX Talk channel. How you doing, Ren? It's all good, Ren. Did you talk about ICP already? No, I haven't started yet. We're still in the intro. Belfi saying, Nani? What's up, my man? What's up with you? Talk to me, Belfi. What's going on? It's all good. So big shout out to Ren. Phoenix, my sister Phoenix. How you doing, Phoenix? It's all good. Sensei, can you look up Joy? You want to talk about some Joy coin? I got you some Joy. Let's go. Hell yeah. With what, Belfi? I'm good. What's up? It's all good, Belfi. Just struggling with a little bit of... I was tested positive for COVID yesterday. Although I'm not feeling all the symptoms that I usually do when I get COVID. I am a little bit weak today. I just want to lie down and rest and watch some TV or whatever. But I'm good. I don't feel that bad. Not like the first time I got COVID, I thought I was going to die. But I don't know. Maybe my body's a little bit used to it already. And it's like, okay, fuck it. COVID again. Here we go. But I'm good. Don't worry about it, guys. I'm good. Belfi saying over on the YouTube channel, Lord of the Rings marathon and take a nap. Let's go. Oh my God, though, bro, from your mouth to God's ears, let's fucking go. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. I wish that's you know what? That's exactly going to be my plans for tonight. After we're done here, I'm going to lie down on my sofa. I'm going to get some ice cream. And where I'm going to I'm going to watch Lord of the Rings. And just pass the fuck out and wake up next week. Or tomorrow at 8 p.m. so I can do the live stream again. You know? All right, guys. Let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Are we making money? Or are we losing money? Let's go. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, start with Bitcoin first. Okay? Bitcoin is king. And Bitcoin, as of right now, still struggling to break through our previous resistance zone at that 50 or 48K mark all the way up down here. Now, this was set back in March 2022. Man, we are still struggling for that breakout zone. We're probably all doing the exact same thing on Bitcoin. We are all waiting for the goddamn ETF news because we believe that markets are being driven by news. No, it is not, ladies and gentlemen. That's just the excuse that these big money kahuna motherfuckers can do to drive liquidity into the markets. If you're asking me, are we going to get that ETF? No, I don't think we're going to get that ETF approval by today, tomorrow, or the next day. No. Why? Because there is a lot more money to be made in the market by dumping the price than there is for it to be pumping the price. Okay? I'm just saying, you got to be very careful and you got to be very ready for both scenarios. Okay? For both scenarios. If it does get approved, what are you going to do? If it doesn't get approved, what are you going to do? You can make money either way. Okay? You can make money either way. But you have to be prepared for both scenarios, okay? You got to know your research. You got to know your stuff. Unfortunately, I do not sit in those chairs. I don't have 10 friends with $10 billion each. Shit, I don't even have... All my friends are poor, and I'm the poorest one of all. We don't drive nothing. We can't even drive our cars. We're going to drive the fucking markets, you know? So Bitcoin still struggling through to break that 48K mark because we're all waiting for the news for the ETFs, which doesn't really give, I don't really give a fuck about the ETFs. I know that the halving is right around the corner. Halvings tend to bring the price back down, especially on the May timeline. So in May, I'm going to get back in. In May, I'm going to run away. And we come back in September. Run away in May, come back in September. That's the plan, okay? That's the plan. So if we're looking on Bitcoin, let's zoom in for a second here. Let's figure out what the markets are doing right now. If we zoom in and we look at the last two candles, it doesn't take a genius to know that the prices are what? Going up. All right, hooray, Jay. Everything is going up and everybody's happy. Yay, everybody making money. The problem with this is that this is very highly speculative because, like I said in the beginning, we are still waiting for the news on the ETFs, which means that is going to bring one hell of volatility on the market, okay? If it gets approved, we got a pump. If it doesn't get approved, we got a dump. And you just got to be ready for both scenarios, okay? I'm just saying. Gotta be ready. So let's figure out our entry prices for a little bit of Bitcoin action. If I was going to get in, nope, that's not the correct one. It's this one. If I was going to get in on some Bitcoin action, my entry price on Bitcoin is 38,178. 38,178 on the short term, okay, guys? 38,178. Now, we also have to look at the other side of the coin if it doesn't get approved. So we got to do our Fibonacci what? The other way around. You already know how to do this. You're a master at the Fibonacci right now. Am I right or am I right? Of course you are. So on the way down, my dollar cost averaging on the way down for Bitcoin after 38K is 35.9. $34,577 and $29,491. So my $4 cost averaging prices to the downside on Bitcoin are those right there. So what do I do with this information? Very simple. I just set a 25% portfolio purchasing power limit buy order on all of those price ranges. So I take 25% of my portfolio and I buy it at 38K, 25% for 35.9, and 34.5, and 29.5 for 25% each. That's 100% of my purchasing power of my portfolio, and those price ranges right there. Okay, on those price ranges right there. If it doesn't get approved, those are my entry prices. If it does get approved, then it's to the upside. I already have Bitcoin from the past. Okay? I'm already holding Bitcoin. Okay, I just want to hold more. More where? Those price ranges right there. Okay, so you're probably going to get this to the downside and quickly up to the upside. So it's a wick down, a wick up, and it's going to go crazy and everybody's going to lose their fucking minds. It's going to be blood on the streets. Or everybody's ecstatic because we're going to wake up to $300,000 per Bitcoin. You know? That's my price ranges, guys. That's my plan right there. We're either going to get in, or we're going to get out, or we're going to make money, or we're going to lose everything. I don't even know. Let's find out. Let's find out, my man. It's exciting. It's fucking exciting, and I goddamn love it. So that, guys, is my plan for Bitcoin if it comes back down, okay? Now, like I said in the beginning of this live stream, my price prediction for Bitcoin, okay? My price prediction for Bitcoin for the next bull cycle, okay? This is for the next bull cycle based on absolutely nothing but pure speculation, okay? This is not, I don't have a time machine. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know what the price is going to be. But if you're asking me what's my plan for the next bull cycle, these are my exit strategies for the next bull cycle. Okay. As you can see here on the Fibonacci on the daily chart for the macro point of view of Bitcoin, we found the support on the golden ratio at the 0.5. We closed above the 382. So that means that our take profits on Bitcoin are at the negative 382. And the negative 382 tells us that the price of Bitcoin has a very big probability to go all the way up to 192,750. Wow. Holy shit, $192,000 Bitcoin for the next bull cycle is my first take profit, okay? My first take profit on Bitcoin is at 192K. I'm not saying that we're going to get to 192K, but if we do, that's where I am going to be taking profits, okay? That's where I am going to be taking profits. The next leg up to the upside is 377,054. Holy shit. We are talking about a 190K Bitcoin and a 377K Bitcoin. Do I believe that's going to go there? No. I don't know. It could. Bitcoin has surprised me since day one. I thought 70K was impossible, and it did. So those are my two take profits for the next bull cycle. Okay, price discovery at 190K and 370K. Okay, you do with that information as you may. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying that we're going to go get to those prices, but if we are, that's where I'm going to take my profits. Okay, if we are, if we don't, then we rinse and repeat and figure out something else whenever it does happen. Okay, I'm pretty sure we're going to be here right here streaming it with you guys, and we're going to have a great fucking time. Okay, but that, guys, is my plan for some Bitcoin action. Rose over on the TikTok saying Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, and Star Wars best sleep comfort films. Oh my God, Rose. You're hitting me where I like it. What? I'm just saying. Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, and Star Wars. You should see my room. This is the biggest nerd room ever. And I have Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, Star Wars. I got everything. Man, I'm the biggest fucking fan there is. I am the biggest fan of all of those movies. I could watch them all every day, goddamn day. Every day. And I'm telling you right now, I'm going to definitely pass out either on the sofa or on the stream, but I'm going to be watching all those movies. I want me some ice cream. I want me some ice cream and some Lord of the Rings and some Harry Potter and some Star Wars. That's a good goddamn day. That's a good goddamn day. Arcflow77 over on the TX Talk channel saying quick dump or fair drop and slow dump then. Yeah, if we don't get the ETF news. Yes, absolutely. Owls over on the TikTok channel saying, how do I avoid ETH gas fees if I want to buy one of those meme coins? Then don't buy it on ETH. Buy it on any other blockchain out there. But ETH is gonna anal rape you with the gas fees. I don't understand why people still buy ETH. I don't understand why people still use ETH. Have you seen the Solana network? The Polygon network? The AVAX network? All those coins are in those blockchains and the fees are insanely low. Why do people still use Ethereum? I don't get it. I don't fucking get it, man. I don't fucking get it. But there is no way to avoid the gas fees, brother. If I would say just don't buy it on the Ethereum network, use any other blockchain except for Ethereum. Except for Ethereum. Noonan over on the YouTube channel saying, let's cross our fingers, people. It hits 150K. Woo. Mother, from your mouth to God's ears, cross your fingers and pray to the crypto gods that we actually get to 150K per Bitcoin. Hell yeah. I don't see why not. I honestly don't see why not. But it is highly speculative, guys. It's highly speculative. Samson over on the TikTok channel saying, about to drive home from work. I'll be listening, though. Big shout out to Samson. How you doing, brother? It's so good. I hope you had a fantastic day at work. You know how it is. Arcflow77 saying, Rose in ruins. Japan have brought in new rules for stablecoins. Could spark it. We would never know. We will find out, that's for sure. Techno Wolf, big shout out to you on the TX Talk saying 190K. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Anyfur, big shout out to Anyfur over on the TX Talk saying, I don't know. Me neither, Anyfur. Anyfur over on the TX Talk saying, I remember John McAfee with his $1 million. Well, I hope I don't have the same destiny as John McAfee. That fucker died for saying $1 million Bitcoin. I mean, I don't know what the hell happened there. I'm saying 190K. I'm saying 190K, not a million. I'm saying 190K. Please don't kill the messenger. Don't kill the messenger. Rose and Ruins over on the TX channel. Big shout out to you. I knew we were friends. Knew it. Hell yeah, Rose. Let's go. We could totally marathon all those movies. If you're up for it, I'm in. I am so in. I'll bring the ice cream. I'm just saying. Samson over on the TX channel saying, Godzilla is my jam, bro. Godzilla is the shit, bro. Godzilla is the shit. Have you seen the new Apple series, Monsters? What's it called? Monsters. Oh, I forgot the name of it. But the new series on Apple TV for Godzilla, the spinoff, fucking amazing, bro. Amazing. I can't wait for the freaking movie. I'm dying to see that movie, man. Rose and Ruins over on the TX channel saying, make some hot butterbeer, dude. Do you know I've never tasted the butterbeer? I want to go to Florida so I can go to Disney so I can go get the butterbeer. Not Disney, the what's it called? Island of Adventure, is it? Universal? What is it called? I don't remember. So I can go to, I'll totally dress up as Harry Potter. I'm definitely going to go taste that butterbeer. I've never had butterbeer. Is it good? I've never had it. Dynamite, big shout out to Dynamite over on the TX channels. How you doing, Dynamite? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, guys. Did I miss Cardano? What's up? No, brother, I haven't talked about Cardano yet. Let's go. We can just talk about some Cardano. Rose and Ruins over on the TX channel saying, oh my God, I'm so down for a marathon. Oh, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Where you from, Rose? No, you know what? Don't tell me. We don't need to know here. I don't need to know. We'll talk about that later. World Class Items over on the TX channel saying, Crypto Sensei, what's up from World Class Items Night Crew? Huh? What's up from World Class Items Night Crew? Oh, okay. It's all good, brother. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, my man. Chilling like a villain. Samsung saying Monarch. Yes, bro. That series is fucking awesome, bro. I like it. I liked it a lot. I look forward to that series, my man. I can't. I want to watch the fucking movie, man. The movie's gonna be legit. Rules and Ruins over on the TikTok channel saying, hello, Night Crew. This is the pregame show, guys. From here, we head on over to Crypto Grannies. You know how it is. Hopefully, I'm awake and I didn't pass out on the sofa from all the goddamn medication that I'm taking. For the last few days, I haven't been able to because I've been sick out of my mind. I just pass out. But, man, I miss you guys. I love the Night Crew over on the Crypto Granny Show. Hell yeah. I fucking love it. It's what I live for. It's what I live for. Any for over on the TikTok channel saying, you ever trade other stuff like Forex and gold? No, love. I do not trade anything else other than crypto. I do buy gold, like actual physical gold and silver. I love that. And if it was up to me, I would be mining gold in the fucking mines, like, and in the water and the lakes and all that shit. I love all that shit. But no, I do not trade anything else other than crypto. But it all applies the exact same way. Okay, it's the same thing. You can take what you learn here and apply it everywhere else. It's the exact same animal. The only difference between Forex, stocks, and gold and stuff like that versus crypto is highly volatile. The volatility index on crypto is insane and can drive anybody nuts. A 20% drop on the stock markets is apocalyptical. We have 20% drops on Bitcoin every day. So it doesn't face us at all. World Class over on the TikTok channel saying, take care of yourself, bro. We love your content. My man, I ain't going nowhere. What the hell's wrong with you, my man? I ain't going nowhere. Don't worry about that. I'm good. I'm taking my medication, and I don't really have all the symptoms that I usually do when I get the COVID. I'm a whole lot better now, but I do feel very weak, and I have a terrible headache. But it is what it is. So, guys, that's my plan for Bitcoin. Moving on to some Ethereum action. What is Ethereum doing right now? So Ethereum, same scenario. Nothing has changed whatsoever. The short-term take profit is 2,571. Okay, 2,571. That is my take profit on the short term for Ethereum. Now, when we're talking about long-term next bull cycle, for the next bull cycle on Ethereum, we got some nice price action to the upside. Let me tell you right now, the next leg up on Ethereum is... Whew, you guys are going to kill me, man. You guys are going to kill me because these price predictions are ridiculous. 13,752. And the next leg up is 26,259. Man, I don't even want to know what the gas fees are going to be with Ethereum that high. I don't know. No. Can you imagine the gas fees on Ethereum at 26K Ethereum? That's ridiculous, man. That is ridiculous. That's my price prediction for Ethereum for the next bull cycle, guys. 13K and 26K. Let's cross our fingers, pray to the crypto gods that actually plays out, but I don't think it will. Rose over on the TikTok channel saying, we're tough. We're a tough crew when it comes to losing money. That's for sure. We're number one. We're the number one losing money crew on the internet, guys. Andy Ferraro on the TikTok channel saying, I'd rather buy BNB than ETH. And I wouldn't buy either. I wouldn't buy BNB nor ETH. The gas fees are ridiculous on ETH, and BNB just doesn't feel right. But when it comes to Polygon, AVAX, what's the other one? Polygon, AVAX, Solana, great blockchains, great technologies, and super low fees. Solana all the way. Rose on the TikTok channel saying, take us on. I dare you. I know. I challenge you. Challenge accepted. Can you actually make money on crypto versus the Night Crew? Dynamite over on the TikTok channel saying, when do you think the next bull cycle starts? Brother, it started last year, 2023. Yeah. It started last year, my brother. Are you strapped in? Did you buy anything? Come on, let's fucking go. But if you're asking me what the spark is going to be, that night that you when you go to sleep and Bitcoin is at 34K and then you wake up and it's at 300K, most likely after November this year. November would be when we get the new president, and that's usually the trigger for the next bull cycle. I don't know why, but in the last 4 cycles, it has happened like that. So I'm just going to follow the rules. I'm just going to play the game how it has been played the last 4 cycles. So usually after November of when we get the new president, we get that price to the upside. Okay. Moving on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. So XRP, let's zoom in. XRP playing exactly how XRP should be playing. It is finding the support on the 618. That is beautiful to see. Now we need to close above the 382. In other words, the base of the candle needs to close above 61 cents. If we got a close above 61 cents on XRP, that means that on the short term, 87-cent XRP is right around the corner, and the next leg up is 98 cents. So we buy it at 55. We buy it at 55. We wait for the close at 61. Okay. And if it closes above 61, then we take our profits at 87 and 98. Okay. 87 and 98. Now, my price prediction for the next bull cycle on some XRP action, it's going to quite surprise the living hell out of you. But my price prediction for the next bull cycle on XRP, which we should have gotten it before the lawsuit, but we couldn't because of the lawsuit. So I don't know if this is actually going to play out, guys. I don't know, but it is telling me that in the long term for XRP, wait, no, it's not this one. My bad, guys. Let me repeat. It's this one. It is $5.40, and the next leg up is $9.80. Let me tell you right now, this doesn't sound like $10,000 XRP, because I am not a major moon boy on XRP, even though 100% of my portfolio is on XRP right now. I'm going to be taking my profits at 540 and 980 on XRP. Okay. Those are my target prices for 2025 on XRP. Okay. I could be wrong. This is I could be completely full of shit. But those are my target prices, guys. Those are my target prices for the XRP. Moving on to some Cardano action. Cardano found the support exactly on the 618 at 49 cents. Okay, we got in it. Now we need to close above 54 cents. If we close above 54 cents, that means that 82-cent Cardano is right around the corner. The next leg up is $1.03, which would make sense because the dollar is major resistance. So we got in at 49. We're getting out at 82 and $1.03. Okay. Ramirez over on the TX channel saying, I'd rather buy Solana. Yeah, Solana is a great project, guys. You should not be sleeping on Solana. Solana is great. I love that technology. Solana. Honey is built in Solana, right? Or is it? No, I don't remember. Where the hell is Honey built on? I don't even know. On Helium, I think it is Helium. Rose over on the TXR channel saying XRP just hasn't ever really performed considering the sentiment on it. I know. It's weird because we have a humongous army behind XRP. But if there is one underperforming coin out there, is XRP, which pretty much just tells me that it's gathering energy, just waiting for that to the upside, or it takes a shit on all of us. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. Any for over on the TXR channel saying, what's the time frame on these graphs? These are always on the daily charts. Any for we always start with the dailies. So on the short term, this is my plan for Cardano, guys. Do not sleep on Cardano. Getting in at 49, waiting for that 54 breakout, getting your profits at 82 and $1.03. Artflow 77 on the TikTok channel saying XRP market makers are swiping profit regularly. Yes, that's usually why the prices are getting suppressed to the downside. Yeah. All right, guys, let's move on to the community counts, the coins that you guys wanted to talk about today. So let's fucking go and start with AVAX. Avalanche. So for Avalanche played out exactly how we thought it was going to play out. We got in here. And we got out in these two price ranges. So we took our profits. This Fibonacci doesn't work anymore. I really hope that you took advantage of that, guys, because the Avalanche played out exactly how it should have played out. Crypto Granny, big shout out to Crypto Granny, la bichota, la caballota, la potra, la madera, toda. Crypto Granny, how you doing, Crypto Granny? Big shout out to you. It's all good, Crypto Granny. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Rosa over on the TikTok channel saying, I mean, maybe. Does it have a massive growing supply or something like Dogecoin does? Never knew. I don't know, Rosa. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Jay on the TikTok channel saying, in 2021, I was paying up to $2 and change for ADA. Fuck my life. Well, now you're paying 53 cents. So you should get now on the 53 cents than on the $2. You know what I'm saying? You take your profits at the $2. Always wait for the pull down, Jay. Always wait for the pull down. XR Perro. Big shout out to the Perro, the one and only. How you doing, brother? It's all good. 24 on the TikTok channel saying long-term numbers on ADA. Oh, yes, I forgot. My bad. So my bull cycle price prediction for Cardano oh, that song is my jam. That's a kick-ass song. Oh, I love that song. So my price prediction on some Cardano action is $4.88 and $6.41. Noonan over on the YouTube channel saying, hey, brother, have you heard of Pi Coin? No, I've not heard of Pi Coin, bro. What is that coin? Crypto Granny over on the TXR channel saying, Sensei, you know someone is crushing on you. I said, beware of the Boricua wife. What? Who is that? Somebody is crushing on me? I need some water. Who's crushing on me, Crypto Granny? What? Can you blame them? I mean, look at my hair. Come on, Crypto Granny. Rosa over on the TXR channel is saying mining Pi on my phone. So Pi Coin is a mining coin on your phone? You can mine coins on your phone? Are you serious? You can mine from your cell phone, says Newman over on the YouTube channel. Are you fucking kidding me? How? What? How the hell can you mine using your phone? Man, you guys always bring me them gold, man. You guys always bring me that gold, and I just want to get in. Now I'm gonna have to be mining Pi on my phone. Hell yeah, let's go. Rose and Ruins, thank you so much for the 8 roses and the 2 roses. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for the support. Lifelong learner. Big shout out to you. Thank you for the 11 roses on the TikTok channel. Jay on the TikTok channel saying, do you bull run price on ICP? Brother, I'll do that right now. ICP is coming right next, so let's go. Crypto Granny on the TikTok channel saying, laugh my ass off. Yes, LOL. Who's the one having the crush on me on the TikToks? Let me know, Crypto Granny. Checking a wolf over on the TikTok channel saying, Granny, do not tell. No, I need to know. I need to know because I don't get that much often, you know? I don't get it that much often. Shelly Barker, big shout out to you. Thank you for the 25 roses. Crypto Granny on the TikTok channel saying she may be here. Who is it, Crypto Granny? Crypto Granny saying Crypto loves you. Said she would pay you. What? So you're saying that the OnlyFans is a go? I should start the OnlyFans? Is that what you're saying, Crypto Granny? We talked about this. I need more XRP. We talked about this. ArcFlow77 on the TikTok channel saying, yep, download the app. It's the Pi Network. Is that what it's called? Just a normal app on the App Store? Are you serious? So if I go to the App Store and I go in Pi Network, I can get me some Pi Network and inclusive digital currency? How does it work? You know what? I'm going to do a little bit of research on it because, man, let's go. I just need more XRP. Crypto Granny saying on the TikTok, Jay crushing to his... Who's Jay? Jay is absolutely crushing on the Crypto Sensei. I believe that 100%. Jay's my man. Jay's my bro from another mother, you know? He loves the price actions. Jay crushing to he is beautiful. He is Puerto Rican. Stop, man. Stop. You guys right here, man. Right here. You make me blush, man. You make me blush. Yep, download the app, says ArcFlow. I'll download the app and I'll check it out, brother. I'm going to go in it for sure. DNA Nooner over on the YouTube channel saying it's not on mainnet yet. It's supposed to be coming out on the 24th. So where can we sell it? If you can mine Pi Network, where can we sell it? I'll figure that one out. Don't worry about it. I'll figure that one out. Ren over on the TikTok channel saying, Crypto Granny, I have a crush on this dude too. Oh, it's Ren. So it's Ren? Then big shout out to you, Ren. We'll talk later, Ren. Don't worry about it. XR Perro saying, Ren, me too. Oh my God. XR Perro has a crush on me. That's crushing. Chill, guys. Chill. We'll talk about it in the midnight sesh, face to face. So you can see me and I can see you. We'll do crypto after dark. Let's go. Don't miss it. You don't want to miss it. Rose and Ruins over on the TikTok channel saying, use my link, dude, for Pi. Oh, so there's a referral code for Pi. You send me the link. Send me a DM. Can you send me a DM over on the TikTok and send me your link? I'll subscribe through there. Let's go. Samsung saying on the TikTok channel, works by distance. So, but how does it work? Like, what do I have to do to mine it? For example, the Hive mapper I have to drive. The demos, I have to use my car. How does the Pi network mine on my phone? What resources does it use? Crypto Granny on the TXR channel saying, Ren, laugh my ass off. It's a secret. Just you and I and TikTok. Man, Crypto Granny, you pimping me out, Crypto Granny? I mean, I know I told you to do whatever you got to do to get XRP, but if you're pimping me out, I want in. Like, cut me in on that one, you know? You guys are making me blush. I wish I could say what I want to say, but we'll say it after midnight. Don't miss the midnight stream tonight, guys. Over on the Crypto Granny channel. There's love in the air, my man. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and so is my birthday. My birthday's on the 23rd of February. Let's go. All right, guys, moving on. Let's go into some ICP, some Internet Protocol. Internet, KuCoin. Ooh. ICP. Same entry price as before. Nothing has changed on ICP. We get in at 8 and we get out at 16. We get in at 8, we get out at 16. Yeah, those are the short term right there. $8 to get in, 16 to get out. But my bullish, this one is a little bit tough to figure out what could be the next bull cycle prices, because it's been a steady run to the downside. It's actually quite scary, actually, but let me see if we can figure something out. Let me cook, guys. Let me cook and figure this one out. There you go. No, this don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. This is the all-time high. So for the all-time high, the all-time high was 885. Whoa. And it's trading at $13 now. Shit, I'll take my profits on the all-time high. Absolutely, because on the all-time high, we have a cup and handle formation, or how Rachel, my friend Rachel, would say, the teacup formation. So I would take my profits on the all-time high on ICP, 885. But this could actually go higher. But no, I don't think so. We're not that lucky. $885 per ICP, and you get it at 13 now. Not financial advice, but goddamn, that would be one hell of a trade. You know what? Fuck it. I'll do it. I will tell you right now. Target price for the next bull cycle on ICP, 140 and 187. So you could dollar cost average on the way up, 140, 187, and the all-time high at 885. You gotta love ICP. You gotta love ICP. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on ICP. Do not sleep on ICP. Do what you got to do. Rose over on the TikTok channel saying, wait, what is this for $800? This is for ICP, Rose. ICP. Crypto Granny on the TikTok channel saying ICP will pass $1,000. I believe it. I actually believe it. Getting it now at 13 and getting it out at 1,000, Granny. Holy shit. Don't forget about me, Granny. Don't forget about me. Don't forget the poor people who are holding XRP only. Don't forget about me, Granny. You better at least come over and visit. Jay saying, I love ICP, then you're in the right place, brother. Dynamite over on the TikTok channel saying, can you check a stock? HUT. It's a Bitcoin mining company I was looking at. HUT? That's a stock? That's the first stock you guys bring me here. HUT. I mean, remember that this is not financial advice, so don't take it with a grain of salt where we talk about any type of stocks, you know? But aquí, HUT stock. But applies the exact same way. Crypto Granny on the TikTok channel saying, poor and never, never. Poor and egg never in a sentence. Yes, absolutely. Joe, big shout out to my brother Joe. How you doing, Joe? It's all good, all good. Has anyone asked to look at Corium? Can you please? Yes, of course we can talk about some Corium. Fidencio Jimenez over on the YouTube channel saying ICP joined Cardano network. Ooh, not too bad, brother. Not too bad. Moving on to some Elastos. What is Elastos? Ooh. Don't you just love it when the plan goes to plan? It's just amazing. So Elastos played out exactly how Elastos should play out. Found the support on the golden ratio, broke above the 382. So your take profit is on the negative 382. So for Elastos, your take profit is 13.23 and 19.75. Entry price is $2.42 if you do not have any Elastos. And that's how we're going to play it out. $2.42. We get in at $2.42. We get out at $13 for Elastos. Now, for Elastos, for the next bull cycle. Oh, you're going to like this one. For Elastos, for the next bull cycle. $15.44. Man, what a fucking headache. And 22.39. There. I mean, just saying. Not a bad plan to start stacking up on some Elastos coins. Crypto Granny on the TikTok channel saying, Joe, much love to Joe. Of course, hell yeah, my brother from another mother, Joe, my man, Joe. Crypto Granny on the TikTok channel saying, did someone just say ICP is on Cardano? Yeah, somebody on the YouTube channel saying that ICP joined the ADA network. I'm guessing that you can buy or you can bridge to ICP using Cardano. I don't know. I haven't tested it, so I won't know. Lifelong Learner on the TikTok channel saying, could you please look at Link as well for bull run target prices? Thank you. Yes, of course. I got you on some Link action. Okay, moving on to some XLM. Of course, we can talk about some XLM. I mean, if you talk about XRP, you got to talk about XLM. One goes hand in hand with the other. Q coins. Can I get it on Q coins? So for Q coins, all right, there we go. What do we got here? Okay, so for XLM, playing out beautifully, by the way, found the support on the 618. That is beautiful to see, meaning that is our entry price is 11 cents. Okay, it played out exactly. Our breakout price is 13 cents. We need to close above 13 cents. And if we close above 13 cents, then our short-term take profits is 28 cents. And the next leg up is 35 cents. Brutal Crypto. Big shout out to Brutal Crypto over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Brutal Crypto? It's just that time to give you lots of love, brother. Let's go. Hell yeah. Big shout out to the Brutal Crypto over on the Twitch channel. Big shout out to everybody here, guys. We got 40 people in the panel today. Guys, make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe to whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I am on YouTube. I am on Twitch. I am on TikTok. And I am on Facebook. So make sure that you follow me there, guys. Big shout out to all of you who do. Also, guys, if you want to share the link, share the information with everybody you know, I would highly appreciate it. I'm trying to get to that 5,000 follower mark on all of my streaming platforms, and I cannot do that without you guys' help. So if you guys can go ahead and help me out with that, I would highly appreciate it a billion times over. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Gabriel over on the YouTube channel saying, can you also look at Chiba coin? Man, of course we can talk about some Chiba coin. Also, guys, remember that all of my streams are being recorded into my YouTube channel. So head on over to my YouTube channel and subscribe over there if you want to rewatch the streams as many times as you guys want. So you can get the price actions. If you missed one today, then it's probably recorded on the YouTube channel. And if you prefer Twitch, I also have a Twitch channel too. XR Perro over on the TXR channel saying 15K likes. Big shout out, brother. Thank you so much, guys. 15K likes. Let's fucking go. Shelly Barker, big shout out to you. Thank you so much for the 25 roses. Q, thank you so much for the 3 TikTok stickers. Big shout out to you. And the 3 2024 stickers. Big shout out to you, Q. Thank you for the support like always. Moving on. Oh, wait. The long term next bull cycle price action for XLM. Possible top of the next bull cycle. Price action is $2.95. You see how these prices aren't absolutely ridiculous? I'm not saying $1,000 XLM, you know? This is more, realistic. I'm just saying. I could be completely wrong. I'm completely full of shit. You never know. So the target price for the bull cycle on XLM for me is $2.95 and $6.61. Fred, big shout out to Fred over on the TXR channel saying, hey, buddy, looking sharp. Brother, Fred, you got to be careful, Fred. Fred, are you also crushing on me, my man? Apparently everybody be crushing on me on TikTok. It's my hair, I know. It's my hair. It's the power of the hair, my man. Remember the story, the Samson, the guy with the strength on the hair? If you cut his hair, you lose his strength. That's me. If I cut my hair, I'm no longer attractive. It's the hair, my man. It's the hair. So that, guys, is my plan for XLM. Moving on to some XDC. Man, these are the best coins for everybody who's holding on for the ISO coins. This is it. This is it. Oof. Oh, man, this played out exactly, guys. So on XDC, from the previous live stream, like I said before, we needed to close above 6 cents. We haven't closed above 6 cents just yet, okay? So if we don't close above 6 cents, we're not going to get to 14 cents, but you can get in at 4. Right now, it's a great time to start stacking up on some XDC. It's trading on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. But we need to close above the 6 so that we can get to the 14, okay? We get in at 4. We wait for 6. We get out at 14. Okay. Jack77 smiling over on the TikTok. Big shout out to Jack77. Ran on the TikTok channel saying it's the voice, Sensei, not the hair. Oh, it's the radio voice? Oh, you guys enjoy the radio voice. I'll bring you like the deep down radio voice. I got you, Ren. I got you. And I'm speaking English. Wait till I switch it to Spanish. Oof. I'm just saying. Samsung saying on the TikTok channel, I know that one. Cool, Samsung. Big shout out to you. Crypto Granny on the TikTok channel saying, sorry about Puerto Rico's most beautiful ever, most Miss Universe and ever. Truth. Absolutely. We got like six, right? Miss Universes. Beautiful, beautiful women. I mean, I'm just saying. You guys are missing out on Puerto Rico. If you don't guys want to, if you want to hang out with the Crypto Sensei, you got to come to Puerto Rico, my man. I'm just saying. You should see my taxes this year. Rose over on the Twitch channel. You moved over to the Twitch channel. Cool. Thank you, Rose. Yeah, I'm trying to grow as much as I can over on the Twitch channel. I'm now over here for a bit to help you with the Twitch stats. Yes, guys, if you enjoy Twitch, I do have a Twitch channel, so make sure that you head on over there. Link in the description. Big shout out to Rose. Thank you for stopping by, Rose. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying no ugly on the island. Yep. Not a single person ugly here. Not gonna find it. Everybody beautiful as hell, having a great goddamn time. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Crypto Granny saying, I was Miss November 2000 Urban Beauties. Are you serious, Crypto Granny? Are you serious? That's awesome, Crypto Granny. Oh man, I learned something new today. Q on the TikTok channel saying, love my beautiful PR women. Absolutely. JJ Max saying, yo, Sensei. Big shout out to JJ Mike. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. Crypto Granny saying, yes. Crypto Granny, I have to see this. Do you have any pictures or anywhere I can see that? That is amazing, Crypto Granny. That is amazing. Rose in Ruins on the Twitch channel saying, of course. Big shout out to Rose. Crypto Granny saying, a calendar. Granny, I'm sorry, but I have to see this. I have to see this. Like, I'm not going to be able to sleep until I see this. Bring it over for tonight's sesh. Bring it over to tonight's sesh because we need to see this. We're not kidding. I speak for every member of the night stream. We have to see this. Obviously not, no disrespect. No, of course, Big D. Come on, man. No. Crypto Granny's my sister from another mother. You know what I'm talking about? We love Crypto Granny. Much respect. Moving on to some Tia Celestia. Well, Celestia is in price discovery, guys. You gotta love it. You have to love Celestia. The entry price is still set at 11. Exit price is still set at 17. Still hasn't played out just yet. But for the next bull cycle, I am thinking that we're going to get a Celestia of a top of about $50, guys. $50. 50.93 as of right now. I could be wrong, as this could change tomorrow. Okay, guys, we got to reset this every single day until we get it. 98.97. We have a $50 Celestia and an almost $100 Celestia. Rose over on the Twitch channel saying, whoa, Crypto Granny, that's awesome. Beautiful chick. Big shout out to the Granny over on the Twitch channel. Rose saying, holy shit, when did that happen with Tia? I know. We've been talking about Celestia for a long ass time. Current price in Celestia is $14. The take profit is at 17. We're almost there. We're almost there at $17. Ren over on the TikTok channel saying, I have to go. Thanks for everything. Big shout out to you, Ren. Big kiss to you. You know how it is. Love you too. Thank you for stopping by. Jack77 on the TikTok channel saying, good music. Brother, my music, you can find it on YouTube, my man. It is a YouTube radio called Art of Techno, deep radio, melodic, progressive house music, 24/7 by Trippy Code. My favorite type of music, guys. My favorite, absolute favorite type of music. This is what I trade with. This is what I work with. I'm all day in this radio right here. So, guys, for Celestia, the next bull cycle price is $50 and $98, guys. Oof. Man, if that actually plays out, I'm going to be so happy. Guys, download this video, take all the screenshots that you want, because a year from now, at exactly a year from now, we're going to be looking at these prices. Let's see if that actually plays out. I'm going to be so happy if it actually does, because I talked about it a year before. Crypto Granny saying on the TXR channel, what's this? This is TIA. 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 Celestia, Crypto Granny. Arcflow 77 on the TXR channel saying, me too, progressive house and trance. I love that type of music, bro. Like it's the music and the weed and the TV with the like, bro. We can go real far. We can go real far. Rose in Ruins over on the Twitch channel saying it's likely it will probably hit that price. I took a screenshot. Then a year from now, Rose, we're going to go back into this video and I'm going to talk to you, Rose, and be like, yo, Rose, where are the screenshots? Because it played out. It played out, right? It played out. Jennifer, big shout out to Jennifer over on the TikTok channel. Thank you so much for the heart, Jennifer. Big shout out to you. Love you too. Lifelong learner on the TXR channel saying this is so helpful to have long-term outlooks, especially for us beginners. Thank you. You also need to keep in mind that you need to take it with a grain of salt. A very, very lumpy piece of salt. Hardly swallow it. You know what I'm saying? Hardly able to swallow that lump ass salt. Because it might not play out like that, okay? I'm just following the rules from the last 4 cycles. Doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to play out this time. But if they do, those are my take profits. Okay? Those are my take profits. Crypto Joe on the TXR channel saying NXRA, please. I got your NXRA right here, brother. NXRA. Moving on to some wild coin. Wild the world. Wild. So for Wild, same scenario. Nothing has changed whatsoever on Wild. We're getting it at 38. We're getting out at 90. Okay. For the next bull cycle, we have a 17.73 and a upwards momentum of 29.59. Holy shit. Telling you right now, guys, getting in at 41, getting out at 17, that's life-changing. That is life-changing. You know what? Oh, man. That's a 4x on your money, guys. 4x on... Lad, big shout out to Lad, my brother Lad. How you doing, brother? It's all good, my man. Take it easy, bro. Yucatan, big shout out to Yucatan, my brother from another mother. How you doing, Yucatan? Big shout out to you, Yucatan. It's all good, family. You know how it is. Just chilling, man. Taking it easy. Feeling a little bit sick today. Feeling a little bit down the weather. You know, a little bit of tested positive on COVID yesterday. It is what it is. So suffering through, my man. Suffering through, breaking through. Suffering through, breaking through. Rose on the Twitch channel saying, my TA is way different. All I do is compare price consolidation and support resistance to all-time high. That's one way to do it, Rose. You're not wrong. That's not a wrong TA in no way, shape, or form. I just use the Fibonacci to do that. It's the same thing. At the end of the day, we're figuring out what is support and resistance. Where are all the order blocks? And we figure out where the volume might spike to or not. It's the same thing. We figure if you're looking on the screen right now, you see these yellow lines that I have right here. Those are order blocks. This yellow block right here, that's an order block. That is a liquidation zone. This is a volatility volume zone. You see? You see these? This is an order block. This is another one. I'm saying that this one is going to be the top one for the next bull cycle. But it's the same thing. We're doing the exact same thing. Add this to your TA and you'll see it's probably going to be 1-to-1. Uber Guy over on the TX Talk. Big shout out to Uber Guy saying, I was watching some YouTube videos on the Fibonacci today. What did you learn, brother? What did you learn? Which crypto are we looking at? This one is called Wild. Let me write it down here, guys, for you. Wild. Wild USDT. Crypto Granny on the TikTok channel saying Sensei lavos de crypto. What? Are you trying to say that Sensei loves crypto? Viking94, big shout out to you saying ALCX. I got you, brother. Let's write it down right here. ALCX. Lad over on the TikTok channel saying Sensei tested positive for coquito. Guaranteed, brother. Guaranteed I tested positive for that coquito. Hell yeah. Uber Guy on the TikTok channel saying, I learned that I don't know how to trade. I learned that I don't know how to trade and I better watch more videos before trading anymore. Well, my man, trade with very small amounts of money, or if you can find an account that doesn't have, that you can do demo accounts, that would be better. Always trade with small amounts of money until you get the learning curve and you can make consistent gains, you know? If you can't do 10 trades and win 7 out of them, don't put money in it. You know, while you learn, you're going to learn, okay? You're going to learn. Rose on the TikTok channel saying, speaking of screenshots, I have a volume comparison from BTC last halving versus now. It's cool. And what have you learned with that halving, with what you can compare from previous halvings? What does the price of Bitcoin always do? Following that comparison, that volume, what does it always do? It's a logical assumption that there is less selling pressure on the market, but demand keeps going higher. So since there is less supply in circulation in the selling pressure, demand keeps going higher, then that just tells you by logic, supply and demand, that the price of Bitcoin is always going to keep going higher as long as we have halvings. That's the purpose of the halvings. It's embedded into the equation that the price of Bitcoin is always going to go high and higher and higher and higher if the demand keeps going higher with it. Because the supply keeps going lower. Gets cut in half every 4 years. Cut in half, cut in half, cut in half. Just saying. I'm just saying. Follow the rules. Uber Guy on the TikTok channel saying the market is up today. Everything was down yesterday. You gotta love it, bro. You got to love it. So for Wildcoin, we get in at 38 and we get out at 17, and we absolutely retire from this trade alone. Moving on to some NXRA. Alliance block. Okay. So Alliance block played out exactly how we thought it was going to play out. Getting in at 14, getting out at 21. Getting in at 14, which is trading as of right now, getting out at 21. So getting in now, getting out at 21. All-time high for the next bull cycle. Well, it's in price discovery right now, so I don't really know how this one is going to play out. But for the next bull cycle, we're seeing a beautiful... This could be higher, though. This could be higher. Because it's in price discovery now. We're going to have to do this every day to figure it out. But it's 0.32. $0.45. Okay. So that is the plan for Alliance Block NXRA. NXRA. Q over on the TikTok channel saying 21,000 likes. Big shout out for everybody here. Thank you so much for the 21,000 likes, Q. And everybody here, guys, smash that like button, guys. Trying to get to all-time highs on the likes. I believe the all-time high on our likes is 35K. Can we get to 36? Let's fucking go. Smash that like button, guys. So that is NXRA, guys. Moving on to some Filecoin. So Filecoin playing out exactly how it should have played out. We got a second chance to get in at 556. We actually got it. Big shout out to Humble C. Thank you for the GGs, brother. We got in at 556. We're getting out at $8.27. Okay, so right now, as of right now, while I'm talking to you right now, is a great time to get in on some Filecoin action. Okay, Steve McKee over on the TikTok channel saying, "What's going on with Ben? I had $125 and today it's up the 16K. What? What, Steve?" You put in 125 and now you have 16,000 in Ben coin? Let's look at Ben coin, guys. I'll write it down here. We'll close with Ben coin. Jesus. Damn, Steve. You the man, Steve. You the goddamn man. So, guys, Filecoin, that is the play. For the next bull cycle, though, we will bring some action on Filecoin at, well, pretty much the all-time high. 609.40. And 1,085. Wow. That is ridiculous. If this actually plays out, I'm going to lose my fucking mind. Man. This shit's crazy, man. This shit's crazy. Whew. So moving on to some LimeWire. So for LimeWire, same scenario. Nothing has changed whatsoever. LimeWire found the support in the 618. Broke above the 382. So your take profit is in the negative 382 and the negative 618. So for Filecoin, it is a $0.08 your take profit and 1.65. And for the next bull cycle, $10. Rose over on the TikTok channel saying, so without showing the screenshot, it's the same price at 45K in 2021, but the volume is triple. Not easy to explain in a few words, but you get the idea. Absolutely, Rose. You're in the right track, Rose. That is exactly how it is. Now apply the same scenario for next year, and you'll see. Jay over on the TikTok channel saying, I bought Bencoin for 100 and it did a 32,000% in 1 week. Wow, man, Bencoin did one hell of a fucking pump. Humble 7K over on the TikTok channel saying, do you know Rose? I know Rose and Rose. She's my new friend. You mean the coin? There's a coin called Rose? Yes, Techno Wolf. He said Ben coin. And Ben, we'll look at Ben. Rose saying on the TikTok, take profits. Right. I mean, you 32,000% on a coin. You don't take profits. Man, I don't know what to tell you, man. I would have taken profits at 100%. 32,000% is. I don't think I have the emotional maturity to hold to a coin up all the way up to 32,000%. 24 on the TikTok channel saying NXRA used to be all-time high was $1.36. Then you know what to do, brother 24. You know what to do. Rose over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for the 11 roses, Rose. Steve McKee over on the TikTok channel saying in the hospital, so I hadn't looked in a while. Just tried to cash out 10,000, but I would have only $8 in Tether. Huh? You lost me on that one, brother. That you tried to sell at $10,000, but you were only gonna get $8 in Tether. What? I don't understand what that means, brother. Humble 7K over on the TikTok channel saying yes, the coin Rose from the Oasis network. Okay. Rose, I didn't know you had a coin, Rose. You gotta let me know these things. We'll look at Rose. Steve McKee saying, how do I cash out? Help. Oh, you're trying to catch out of that trade. Oh man, that's a problem. Where did you buy it? What wallet were you using? Steve, what wallet are you using to do? Because it could be that the liquidity is just not there. And if the liquidity is not there, then you're gonna have to adjust the, what's it called? Man, I'm sorry, my brain is shutting down. What's it? Spillage. You need to adjust the spillage to be able to pay the gas fees. Maybe that's why you're not being able to catch out. It's probably the slippage. Most likely. So you're gonna have to increase the slippage so that you can cash out of that coin. What wallet are you using? Coin wallet. I've never heard of that one. Coin wallet. Adjust the slippage and let me know if that works. You're gonna have to pay a little bit more in fees. Okay. Don't go crazy. Don't put 50%. But try increasing the slippage and it should be able to go through. But 32,000% increase, you can't let that go, brother. You cannot let that go. Do what you have to do. Crypto Rachel, big shout out to Rachel. How you doing, Rachel? This is good love. How you doing? Uber guy on the TikTok channel saying, I just looked up Ben on Coinbase wallet and he's right. It went up 32,000% in 1 week. You know what, guys? I have to look at this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm skipping over the other coins, but I have to look at this. Because I think I talked about Bencoin a long time ago. It's not this one, is it? It can't be this one. I need some water. I'm gonna pass out. Are you seeing this? I'm gonna pass out. I need some water. I need some water. Guess who didn't buy any Ben coin? Steve, you got to do what you got to do, brother. But you better take profits on this, bro. I ain't even kidding, man. Look at this. Look at this. Danny Norton over on the YouTube channel saying, wow, what does BenCoin do? I have no fucking clue, bro. No idea what the hell Ben does. Fidencio saying on the YouTube channel, could it be a scam and that's why he can't take profit? Yeah, of course. Of course. I've never even heard of fucking BenCoin, man. So, Steve, take your profits, bro. I can't tell you what the hell to do, man. But come on, man. You can't look at a candle like this and not get excited. You're not human if you don't see a candle like this and not get absolutely excited. Steve on the TikTok channel saying, trying. Do you adjust the slippage and get it the fuck out of there? Adjust the slippage and get it the fuck out of there. Humble 7K on the TikTok channel saying, how did we miss this? Bro, we weren't even looking at this. We weren't even looking. This is the dark side of the moon. We never see this. Technical saying, so it's Ben going to bounce up? Bro, what more up do you want? What more up do you want? Guys, this is an increase from the all-time low of 145,000%. I have a headache. Guys. I have a strong headache. I need to watch my Lord of the Rings marathon and just pass out. Why don't we look at these things? Why can't we the ones who catch fucking things like this, you know? Just wake up one morning and bam, we're millionaires. Why? You're telling me wait, you're telling me 141x. 141x, guys. Rose in Ruins is laughing at me. You gotta love it, Rose. You gotta love it. Johnny Prince over on the TikTok channel saying, yeah, they migrated the coin. I made the same mistake. It's worth nothing, apparently. Look up YouTube. Oh, so it's a migration coin? Oh, Steve, see if you can get it out. Steve, see if you can get it out, Steve. Get it out, Steve. Do what you have to do. Uber guy over on the TikTok channel saying, tell that guy to add some Ethereum to his Coinbase wallet so that he can cash this BenCoin out. Oh yeah, Steve. You need to have coin. If it's in the Ethereum network, you need to have Ethereum in your wallet to be able to pay for the fees. But I don't think that's the problem. Steve on the TikTok channel saying, raise the slippage, still terrible losses. Johnny on the TikTok channel saying, I can't sell my 35K worth either. You gotta love crypto. You have to love crypto, my man. It's just, ouch. Crypto Rachel, thank you so much for the 26 roses. Big shout out to Rachel. Johnny saying you can raise the slippage to 5K. You won't be able to do shut it jump with it. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck me, man. It's just one of those things, brothers. That's just one of those things. God damn, I hate to see it. Get it out there, brother. Do what you got to do. I don't know. I don't know what you have to do, but get it out. Moving on to some FLR. Flare. I got some flare on the airdrop. Remember that airdrop long time ago for the XRP that we were holding? I got some flare. So the entry price on flare is 0.13. .03 is the exit price. And for the next bull cycle, 8 cents. Little Joe on the TXR channel saying Bencoin has no liquidity. It's a scam coin. They drained it. Ah, shit. Shit. Just John on the TikTok channel saying, can you tell us what the next Bencoin is? Nope. Oh, man. The liquidity. It's an liquidity issue, so that means that you can't take it out. Oh, man. Fuck my life. Steve, I don't know what you have to do, brother. I don't know what you have to do. Rose on the TikTok channel saying Zelix is the next Bitcoin. Take a screenshot. Zelix. I heard about Zelix. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Zelix was the next Bitcoin. Look at that. Dump and then recovered immediately. Power to the downside on some Zelix, Rose. Be careful on Rose. Lad on the TikTok channel saying 30K likes. Big shout out, guys. 30,000 likes. That's amazing, guys. We're 6,000 likes away from the all-time high. Let's fucking go. Let's get it, guys. DGR on the TikTok channel saying, I have seen a lot of cryptos with massive run-ups that has luck up. It happens. Because the liquidity goes away. They pull it. They pull the liquidity and you can't take it out. Yeah. Happens all the time. Happens all the time. Moving on to some Velo. Guys, give me a second. I got to go hit the bathroom. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. Mingles amongst yourselves. I'll be right back real quick. Sorry about that, guys. Rose on the TikTok channel saying, please do not trip on the cord on your way back. There's a long ass fucking cord. This cord goes all the way through. I was going to fall down. You know me so well, Rose. You know me so well. So we were looking at Velo. Velo coin. Quite interesting, Velo coin. So for Velo coin, the entry price is 0.003. And the exit price is 0.009. It has had an... it's quite weird, though. For the next bull cycle, my price prediction for Velo is $2. That is the plan for Velo. Moving on to some Silo. Silo found the support on the golden ratio. My entry price is 0.001. And my exit price is 0.007. 398. Rose over on the TikTok channel saying, I don't know about that one. I hate when entry is strong, then it falls. Yes, I know. Me too. I hate it. I hate it. But it happens. You got to accept it and move on, you know? Just the nature of the beast. Techno Wolf over on the TikTok channel saying rug pull. Yes, it happens also a lot in crypto. Rug pulls are the nature of the beast. And apparently that fucking Bencoin pulled one hell of a rug pull on Steve. I'm sorry, Steve. But you got to do what you got to do to get that fucker out. And that, guys, is Silo. Moving on to some Sidious. Elver Gadura over on the YouTube channel saying, Sensei, did you go over storage? No, brother, I have not gone through storage just yet. Well, we can talk about some storage action. So on Sidious, nothing has changed. Same scenario. Okay, same scenario as the previous live stream. We get in at $1 at 1 cent. We get out at 2 cents. Same scenario. Nothing has changed whatsoever. Nothing has changed whatsoever. Rose and Ruins on the TikTok channel saying, might as well look at Filecoin right after storage. It's pretty much, but we already talked about Filecoin. I gave you the target prices on Filecoins. And that, guys, is the plan for Sidious. Oh, for the bull cycle, 66 cents. Moving on to some Superverse. Superverse. Coinex. All right. So for Superverse, entry price is 19 cents. Exit price is $2.62. And the next leg up is 484. And for the bull cycle, for the bull cycle, this one is a little bit tough. I'm just going to trust the 1618 at $65. But this one doesn't quite make sense to me, so I'm not really 100% sure on it, brother. Not really 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure. Superverse. Moving on to some Fetch AI. Okay, so Fetch AI played out exactly how it should have. We found the support on the 618 at 58, which means that our take profit is 99 cents. So nothing has changed. We get in at 58, we get out at 99. And for the bull cycle, it is $1.88. Humble77 over on the TikTok channel saying, I'm back. My phone died. Did you already look into Rose, brother? No, I have not looked into Rose just yet. But you'll know. You'll know. Big shout out to Humble. Thank you so much for the Rose. Moving on to some SEI. USD. SEI. Okay, so for SEI, nothing has changed. We're still in the same scenario, getting in at 54, getting out at $1.09. And for the bull cycle, my take profit is $4, 4.18. Big dude, big shout out to you, bro. Thank you for the 13 roses. Rose on the TikTok channel saying, I don't trust that either. Big D saying 37,000 likes. Big shout out to everybody here on the live stream. You guys took me to the all-time high on the likes. Thank you so much. I could have never done that without you guys' help. Big shout out for everybody here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Humble 7K on the TikTok channel saying, so what are your thoughts about this ETF thing? I feel like it doesn't matter what happens. We will have a pullback. It's just a matter of time. 50K before end of the stream. Easy. You'll know my thoughts on the ETF, brother. It doesn't really matter because we're prepared for either scenario. We've been holding on to Bitcoin since 15K. We're still holding on to that Bitcoin. I ain't going nowhere. If anything, I'm stacking up on some more. If we do get the ETF approval, then the prices go up. If we don't, then the prices go down and we buy some more. It doesn't matter. We're still going to have the exact same scenario. We're going to have the halving, the pullback, the next president, and then the bull cycle. Doesn't really matter. I'm just saying. And that guy says SEI. Moving on to some Solana. So for Solana, we found the support on exactly the 618 at $89. Our exit price is still set at $149 and $163. For the next bull cycle, however, Solana is one of those coins that it's abso-fucking-lutely primed and ready to rip a whole new asshole to somebody who did not get any Solana. Because you see, Solana found the support within the 618 and is struggling to break through the 382. But when it does, our take profit is the negative 382 and the negative 618. So what I'm saying is that Solana has a huge potential to go all the way up to 644 and 1,124. God damn. Man, there's going to be a lot of people who are going to be like, fuck, I should have gotten Solana at $20. Just saying, guys, don't sleep on Solana. 644 and 1,124 on Solana. Humble 7K on the TikTok channel saying, if we go up, we making money. If we drop, we buying. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Humble 7K. 10 points to the House of Humble. That's exactly how we're doing it, bro. That's exactly how we're doing it. Humble saying, I bought Solana at $9, but just $20. Biggest fumble. Oh, it's okay, brother. Profit is profit. Doesn't matter. You learned. You learned, right? You learned. Ooh, I like that song. Take a picture of that song. I want to look for it later. Emptiness spirit. Celebrate. Cool, 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 cool. Moving on to some GRT. GRT. Can we get GRT on the Q columns? Yes, we can. So for GRT, nothing has changed. Same scenario as before. We got in at 9. We broke above the 382. So our take profits are the negative 382 and the negative 618, which are these price ranges right over here. Okay. For the next bull cycle, GRT has a potential to get all the way up to $9 and $19. That is GRT. Moving on to some Near Protocol. So Near Protocol playing out exactly how Near Protocol should have played out. Okay. We got in at 3. You're in profits right now. And your take profit is big shout out to Ethan Sim over on the Twitch channel. Thank you so much for that follow, brother, on the Twitch. Your take profit is $6.31. And the next leg up is $7.64. That is the plan for Near Protocol. Steve over on the TX Shock channel saying, motherfucking Crypto Sensei. No, motherfucking Steve, bro. How you doing, my man? It's all good. Oh, good, brother. Big shout out to you, Steve. Ethan, big shout out to you over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, brother? It's all good. Oh, good. So that is the plan for Near. For the next bull cycle, though, Near is another one that has potential to rip a whole new asshole to do not get some Near. For Near at $60. And the next leg up is $113.80. That is amazing. Humble 7K over on the TikTok channel saying, explain why you don't have 10,000 viewers, brother. That's a good fucking question, bro. I don't know. I have no idea why I don't have 10,000 viewers, my man. This is gold, brother. This is goddamn gold. But it is what it is. One day we will, brother. This community is only going to get bigger and better. It's only going to get bigger and better. You'll see. We're going to be right here on the bull cycle, and a lot of people are going to jump in the bull cycle. Absolutely. Why? Because that's going to be our exit liquidity. Those people who did not listen to me back in 2022, those are the people who are going to sell to in 2025. And those are the people who are going to be looking at me in 2025. And those are the exact same people who are going to disappear in 2026. It's just a cycle, guys. It's just a cycle. But like you say, it's a matter of time, Humble. It's just a matter of time. Ethan Seam over on the Twitch channel saying, just noted the BTC ETF hype. Decided to tune into crypto channels to see what the hype is about. Well, brother, because ETFs tend to bring the prices of whatever assets they're entwined to all-time highs. But let me tell you right now, in this channel, and what I'm seeing is that we're not ready for price actions to go to the upside just yet. So I don't believe we're going to get an ETF approval. I could be completely wrong. I could be absolutely 100% wrong, and we go to all-time highs. I just don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. Not today, not tomorrow, not the next day. I could be wrong. which would be a happy mistake, because if I'm wrong, I'm making money either way. Because if I'm wrong, we get the ETF approval, Bitcoin is just going to rip a whole new asshole to those who did not get any Bitcoin. But if it doesn't, then it comes back down. And if it comes back down, then that means that I'm going to buy more Bitcoin. See? So we're ready. We're ready for either way, up or down, up or down. Vale over on the TikTok channel saying, can you do Demo? Hell yeah, we're going to talk about Demo. We're actually going to close with Honey and Demo because I'm heavily invested into those two right now. Demo and Honey. Let's talk about Honey also. I want to talk about Honey. Honey, 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 honey. So that's the plan for Near. Moving on to Bonk. Oh man, I know that Bonk took one hell of a hit to the downside, back down on the pullback, which makes sense because nothing goes up forever. There's always going to be pullbacks. No, Joe, you have not missed Corium just yet. Give me 1 minute. Corium is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coins before Corium, okay? I got you, brother. Stick around. The entry price on Bonk is 0. Holy shit, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 5, 7, 4. And the exit price for Bonk is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 92163. Okay. That is the plan for some Bonk action. And for the bull cycle, Bonk can go all the way up to 0.002. Ethan over on the Twitch channel saying, it's speculation at best. I don't blame you, but I believe what you said because none gonna expect like an overnight 100% increase. Bonk is gonna bonk some people out of the park. By the way, what are you doing here, brother? I'm just chilling, my man. Just chilling like a little villain, man. I'm just sharing my entry prices and exit prices and whatever coins you want to look at. That's what I do every goddamn day over here. We chill. We got a very nice community. You know how it is. Sharing our wealth, sharing our information. What we do here is just look at coins and let's see how it actually plays out. I trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies every day, 24 hours a day. And I share with the community what are my entry prices and my exit prices and my trades itself. When I go in, when I go out, if I would go in, if not, like we talk about everything, my brother, everything crypto related. And we have a good time for a few hours a day, you know, just to chill and let go. So if that is something that interests you, my brother, you're more than welcome, my brother. We're more than welcome. Moving on to some Joy coin. Ooh. Okay, so for Joy, no, that's not the correct. That was a dumpy dump. It's this one. There we go. It found the support on the 618. No, it hasn't broken above the 382. So your take profit is 0.08. And the next leg up is 0.09. And for the bull cycle next year, 20 cents. Those are my plans for Joy. Let's see if it actually goes out. Ethan on the Twitch channel saying, cool, I'll be listening in. Thank you. You're more than welcome, Ethan. Big shout out to you, brother. Welcome. We got a very, very nice community over here on the and I'm streaming on every single platform out there, Ethan. I'm also on YouTube and I'm on TikTok. Biggest community is on TikTok. But I'm definitely trying to grow that Twitch. You know how it is. Uber guy on the TikTok channel saying Demo is money. Hell fucking yeah. Like I said in the beginning, my brother, I bought the miner. I bought the Demo miner. I'm waiting for it to get here. I'm going to install it into my car and I'm going to mine the shit out of that coin. Moving on to some hot Pizza Hut. Hot coin. Hut. Okay, so Hut is a bottom coin, which you buy for the next bull cycle. Okay. It's trading at the bottom of all of its bottom. It's just in a run to the downside. So you buy it now, cross your fingers, and you hold for the next bull cycle, and let's see if it actually plays out. So when it comes to hot, bottom, buy for the next bull cycle type of coin, okay? Buy it now, cross your fingers, pray to the crypto gods that it goes up on the next bull cycle, but have zero expectations to make any money on this coin, okay? Humble 7K on the TX channel saying, wait, a fucking miner for a car? Yes, Humble. You can mine crypto by driving. With Demo. You can go to Demo and get a Demo miner. You plug it into your car and you can mine. Another way to do it is Hive Mapper. You can drive around using the dash cam and you can mine honey. I'm just saying. There's ways and there's ways. There's ways and there's ways. Now we're moving into some Corium. Corium, my brother Joe's coin, Corium. Wait. There we go. So, Joe, nothing has changed, Joe, on my prediction on some Corium action. We're still getting it in at 14 cents. And we're going to get out at 57 and 80. Okay? 57 and 80. We're still trading above the 382. So let's hope that that actually plays out. Okay? 57 and 80 is your take profit on the next bull cycle. We are seeing a $3.35 for the next bull cycle for Corium. And a $15.93. Not too bad, Joe. Not too bad. Ethan over on the Twitch channel saying, might be a dumb question for you. What are these horizontal lines and how did you come up with them? This is called the Fibonacci levels, brother. Everything in the universe can be traced back to a very simple algorithm called the Fibonacci sequence. Okay? Computers in the world behave with binary code, correct? That binary code is translated by the Fibonacci. Fibonacci was a Italian mathematician very long time ago that figured out that the whole world has a pattern of behavior, a pattern of structure, a pattern to the pattern. That pattern can be traced into the charts. Okay, that is what I'm tracing on the screen right now. The highest demand zones and the highest liquidity zones using the Fibonacci levels. I'm not going to go into the exact details today because I've explained this so many times in the past before, but you're more than welcome to stop by to all of my streams. I'm streaming every single day at 5 p.m. Now at this time, I'm probably going to pass out in the next half hour, so I'm not going to go into detail what it means. Tomorrow I'll be back and I'll do a little bit of a mini class so I can explain to you what the Fibonacci is and how to use it. But basically what you're using with the Fibonacci is figuring out what are the best chances to getting in on an asset and getting out of that asset to you so you make the most profit. Okay, you're figuring out what are those liquidity zones, demand zones, and selling zones. Ethan over on the Twitch channel saying, oh, I got it. Thank you. Don't mean to derail. Appreciate it. It's okay, my brother. You ask away any questions you guys want, okay? I'm here for you for a few hours of power, and you got to take advantage, you know? So that, guys, is the plan for Corium. Moving on to some link action. USDT. All right, so for Link, played out exactly how we thought it was going to play out. We got in at $12.93. Our exit price is $18. Okay. For the next bull cycle, our exit price is $111, and the next leg up is 176. That's a nice trade right there. Getting in at 13, getting out at 100. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Humble 7K over on the TikTok channel saying, I hope my car doesn't turn into a transformer. Bro, it's going to turn into a crypto mining machine. That's what it's going to do. You're going to make money for driving. And I'm telling you because I'm an Uber driver. I drive Uber Eats and DoorDash. And if I can make a little bit extra just for using my car that I'm already using, I already drive every day for 12 hours a day, you know? So if I can make more for doing what I already do, that's logic, bro. Hell, you mine with your car. Do the crypto mining on your car. Hell yeah. Demo and Hive Mapper. That's all you need. Joe on the TikTok channel saying Fibonacci spiral. It's a mathematical fractal. Yes, the fractal of all fractals, Joe. I love the Fibonacci. I especially love fractal geometry. I fucking love that shit. When I'm on shrooms, I see all the fractals. Rose over on the Twitch channel saying, hi, just keeping your active viewer count alive. Thank you, Rose. You know how it is. I highly appreciate you, Rose. Uber guy on the TikTok channel saying, I was just looking up that device online is $300. Yes. For example, the Hive Mapper is $300 and it pays you 1 honey token for every mile that you drive. It's an approximate. It's not exactly 1. It could be 1 or 1.2, a little bit more. That's what the research is telling. I don't know. I haven't tried it. When I get mine and I start mining, I will let you know, obviously. But 1 per 1 mile. 1 honey per 1 mile. Honey's trading right now at 20 cents. For every mile, it's 20 cents that they pay you. Not bad. I drive maybe 100 miles in Uber every day. At 20 cents, that's what, $20? That's the gas. That's the gasoline I'm using. Not too bad. I get free gasoline. And then I get paid for what I make in Uber. It's not bad at all, brother. It's not bad at all. Joe over on the TikTok channel saying the fractal either rotates up and right or down and right depending on its place in the cycle. Absolutely. I love it. I fucking love it, bro. When you're on shrooms, you cycle left and right, up and down. You don't even know what cycling fractal you're in. I'm going to tell you right now. Steve on the TikTok channel saying, not bad at all. Yep. Got it. Take advantage of it. Just a small $300. Just $300, bro. $300. And just mine and it binds Honeycoin. The same for Demo. Demo's also $300 and you mine for Demo. I'm just saying. That's what I'm going to try. That's what I'm going to try. Uber guy on the TikTok channel saying, I drive 300 miles a day for Uber. That's 300 honey coins every day, brother. $60 every day. $60 for one miner. You can have as many miners as you want. Jack77, you do you, boo-boo. That's right, you do you, boo-boo. You what you got to do. Viking94 saying, imagine an 18-wheeler with that bad boy. Yeah. 18-wheelers drive what? Thousands of miles up and down? Imagine you had a fleet of 18-wheelers. And they could be mining Hive Mapper. I'm not going to be here forever, guys. Not going to be here forever. Take advantage of it. Rose in Ruin saying, has 30 miners and no room for passengers. That's going to be me. I'm going to have 30 miners on every goddamn window. And I'm not even going to deliver. I'm just going to be a Hive Mapper. You know, I'm just going to be a Hive Mapper. Why not? Why not? Humble 70K over saying, you forgot to say honey will go up, so $60 a day might be 10x. That's right. Yeah. Honey will go up with the bull cycle also. So even more. Just saying, Uber guy. Take advantage of it, brother. Take advantage of it. We already do the work. We already drive an Uber. Let's make an extra income for it, you know? All right, moving on to some Shiba coin. Shiba. All right, so Shiba played out exactly how we thought it was going to play out. We got in at 86660 and we're getting out at 14. For the next bull cycle, Shiba has the potential to make quite a nice little pretty penny at 0.100269867. Just John over on the TikTok channel saying I might start doing Uber on the side. That's what I'm doing, brother. That's what I'm doing. I decided, hey, I'm here 24 hours a day. I don't do jack shit at home. Let me just do something to get me out of the fucking house and make money out of it, you know? And I don't want no damn job or no damn boss or none of that shit. So I'll just drive Uber. And I tried it and it's wonderful. I love driving Uber and door dashing. I do both. I got two phones, one with Uber, one with DoorDash. And I do both at the same time. And you make a pretty penny, like around $20 an hour. $20 to $22 an hour, depending on where you are. And then you get all these challenges and you can make more money out of it, you know, and you meet a whole bunch of people and you go to places that you've never even been before. I've lived my entire life in Puerto Rico and I've been to houses that I've never seen in my life. And now I'm going to be mining while I'm driving. Just saying. Just saying. Uber guy on the TikTok channel saying, thanks for all your incredible advice. Brother, you take advantage, my man. It's all up to you, my man. Rose in Ruin saying, although it requires more power than the helium did. And let me tell you right now, Rose, I loved helium mining. I was going to get big on helium mining, but that project kind of fell through. Ted on the TikTok channel saying side questing. Yeah, correct. That's exactly what it is. You're side questing. You're doing side missions while you're doing Uber. So that is the plan for Shiba, guys. Moving on to some NXRA. Alliance block. So for NXRA, same scenario. We got in at 8. We're getting out at 32 and 45. And for the next bull cycle, it's $1.78. Okay. Getting in at 8, getting out at 32.45, and your goals for the next bull cycle is $1.78 for NXRA. Moving on to some ALCX USDT. Alchemist. So for Alchemist, same scenario. Nothing has changed. We got in at 24.95, and we're going to get out at 46.45. Now for the next bull cycle, our take profit is the all-time high, 546. For ALCX. Moving on to some Rose coin. The beautiful Rose coin. Rose is the Oasis network. Oh yeah, we did do Rose a while back, and Rose got exactly into our target price. There we go. It got exactly to our target price at the 618, and we're taking our profits at the negative 382 at 17 cents. So our take profit is 17 cents on Rose. Okay. And for the next bull cycle, Rose has a very nice run to the upside for the next bull cycle. Let's see if it actually plays out. But if it does, we're seeing a beautiful $1.61 on this one, guys. $1.61 on Rose. Everybody get on some Rose action. And $2.97. That's it. That is the plan for Rose. Moving on to some storage. USD. Can I get storage on KuCoin? Yes, I can. So for storage, same scenario on the way down. We got in some storage action at 44 and 31. That one played out. So let's remove this. And for the next bull cycle, $2.56, and the next leg up is $4 for the bull cycle for storage. Moving on to my new beautiful baby girls, and my new two BFFs is Demo. So for Demo, I've been analyzing Demo since yesterday, 2 days ago. I've been researching the shit out of Demo, all of the miners, and I'm in. I bought them. I'm gonna go all in. I don't give a fuck. Let's fucking go. So my entry prices for Demo are 35, 25, and 20 on the way down, and my take profits is $1.44 on the short term, and the next leg up is $2. And look at what the price is for the next bull cycle, guys. We start mining in May, because that's when I'm getting my Demo miner. And it's going to be at $8 for the next bull cycle. Cross our fingers and let's hope that actually plays out. Let's pray to the gods of crypto that actually plays out, my man. Let's fucking go. $8 for Demo. Hell yeah. And let's finish up strong with some honey. Hive Mapper. And for Hive Mapper, still discovering what Hive Mapper wants to do. Take profit is at 65 cents, guys. 65 cents. We're going to get in at 15. Start accumulating at 15. We're going to get out at 45 and 65. That's how we're going to play it out. That's how we're going to play it out, guys. We're going to mine Hive. We're going to mine Demo. And we're going to forget about the rest. Let's fucking go. And we accumulate and we buy some more. We accumulate and we buy some more. God damn, doesn't that sound like a wonderful fucking plan right there? I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. Let's fucking go. Guys, if you want to participate in your own Hive Mapper and your own Demo like I'm doing, hivemapper.com. You can get your Hive Mapper dash cam right there for $300. You can have as many Hive Mapper as you want in your car. They actually prefer for you to have multiple different Hive Mapper. Look at this guy. This guy has it outside of the car. That is hilarious. My car is going to have 100 Hive Mappers. You can go to hivemapper.com and get your own Hive Mapper miner. And if you want to take it one step further, don't miss out on a Demo AutoPi Mapper for $200 to $300, and you can mine for Demo. Beautiful thing about the Demo miner is that you don't need to drive. You just need to plug it in on your OBS on the car and forget about it for the next year. Q, Big D, big shout out to you guys. 50K likes, my brother. Thank you so much, guys. We got to 50,000 likes on today's. That's the all-time high for me, brother. That's just the likes. Imagine the prices. I got all-time highs on the likes. We're gonna get all-time highs on the prices of everything in crypto, my man. We're gonna do it. Let's fucking go. Uber guy over on the TikTok channel saying you could become an affiliate for these devices. I believe so. I haven't even looked at it. I don't really care about the affiliate. You guys can get it yourselves. You know, you don't need to wait for me. But I think you can be an affiliate. Yeah, you can sell it as an affiliate. I'll figure it out later. Don't really care much about that. But you guys do you guys. You do what you got to do, my man. You do what you got to do. All right, guys. That's all the time I got for you today. Hope you all had a fantastic time. I had a great time too, my man. Right now, I'm going to go lie down on the sofa and I'm going to pass the fuck out while I'm watching some Lord of the Rings. You know how it is. I'm going to do a little mini marathon. I'm going to take my pills and go to sleep. If Crypto Granny decides to do a little bit of a late night stream, make sure that you head on over to the Crypto Granny's channel so we can do a little bit of a Crypto After Dark midnight sesh over there. If I'm awake, I will do my best to stop by and say hi. You know how it is. If not, then you know that I fell asleep. This COVID, I got to beat the COVID. I'm not going to get sick and I'm not going to bring myself down for nothing. All right, guys. So I had a fantastic time. I hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe to all of my streaming platforms. I'm trying to stream on every single day at 7 p.m. Eastern, and you do not want to miss it. So make sure that you subscribe and follow all of my streaming platforms. And you're watching me on my YouTube, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I stream. And if you're on the TikTok, make sure that you follow there too. If you're on the Twitch, you already know what to do. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters over in the Twitch channel. And I will see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. And we're going to figure it out again. Are we going to be making money or losing money? I don't know. Let's find out together. See you guys tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. Big hugs and kisses to you all. Appreciate each and every one of you. Love even every one of you. Thank you for stopping by. Had a great time. See you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. Thank you guys for stopping by. Had a good one. God bless and take care.
Try to stop from running, but you can't.